Can you open a .pub file in InDesign? No, there's no import filter, no place option. And here's the part designers need to hear. Moving to InDesign isn't a conversion. It's a rebuild. InDesign runs on open standards. PDF, IDML, DOCX, all documented. But .pub has no published spec. Every reader for it was reverse engineered. So master pages and effects break first. No tool imports a complex layout cleanly. Path 1, the reliable one for visual work. Convert the .pub to a high-res PDF. Build a new InDesign doc at the right dimensions. Place each PDF page on a reference layer. Drop it to 50% opacity. Then rebuild on a working layer above it. Real text frames, live type, proper styles. Production ready, nothing automated can match it. Path 2, Markzware's Pub2ID plugin. It attempts a direct pub to InDesign conversion. On simple flyers and cards, it saves real time. On complex layouts, it struggles. Test the free trial on your own files first. Then decide if it's worth buying. Path 3, when it's mostly text. Convert the .pub to DOCX first. Then place it into InDesign as editable copy. It maps your word styles on import. Pair it with the PDF reference for the layout. Copy from one, design from the other. So which path? Complex layout, PDF reference rebuild. Simple one-pager, try Pub2ID first. Text heavy, DOCX flow, plus reference. Match the path to the document. But here's what most guides won't admit. Most of your archive doesn't need a rebuild. It just needs to be preserved and openable. So batch the whole lot to PDF with Univik converter. No publisher needed. Then rebuild only what's actually live. InDesign migration is craft, not a button. Preserve everything, rebuild what matters. And start before publish is gone. Follow Univik, where technology meets trust.